Good morning. Friday morning. Woo! First thing, sun is coming up. Things are looking good. But it is time for me to get these pallets out of the back of my truck. Yes. Pallets and scrap don't mix, and it's definitely a good scrap morning. Because two areas in my region, Sycamore and DeKalb. Oh, man, I got a lot of junk in here. So two regions has a garbage day. So I'm gonna get these pallets out, get them put up in there, and yeah, and then it's time to get to work. Woo! It is chilly, but it is a good morning. First things first. So check my oil, and it's a little bit low. So got me some 5W30 fully synthetic. That's the only thing this stuff takes. So, and of course you got to pour it not this way, but pour it this way so it doesn't actually spill. Oh, watch, I'll probably spill now. Yep, some fully synthetic stuff. Yeah, it actually was really cheap. It was $5.89 for a quart of fully synthetic, which is cheap. Normally it's like $9. So cool, I didn't spill it all over the place. All right, now it's time to go scrapping. All right, that is an eerie sight, but I'm gonna take a look. Huh. You know what? It's actually not on the garbage side. So I don't think this is garbage. There's a booze bottle and a crib, or not a crib, but a bassinet. Yeah. Cue the eerie music. I see a little something over here. It's in the recycling bin too. No, Waste Management does not want your lawn equipment in the recycle bin. But I'll take it. And while I'm here, I'll take a quick peek. Right. Yep, I just DeKalb police just drove by one stop ago. That is cool that they'd have no issue at all with me. And yeah, about when I first started doing this 5 months ago, almost 6 months now, I went online to all their municipal codes and looked up if there was any code, if there was any rule against curbside in DeKalb County and the city of DeKalb have no codes against it at all. So I know in some communities they do. I know that I was talking with or doing the message thing with the Scrap Kingdom, and he said that he has to get a license for curbside recycling, curbside scrapping. So yeah, I mean, scrapping is recycling. You're actually taking something that was bound for a landfill and you know, put it back into the supply chain. Also had a really great conversation with a friend of mine that started a battery recycling company 10 years ago in Las Vegas, and I can't remember his website, but it's like Las Vegas Battery Recycling or something like that, or Nevada Battery, something like that. But he was just telling me how he started out, and it was just really cool stuff, you know, getting the story behind the humble beginnings and what he is today, you know, and he makes a very good living just recycling batteries. So yeah, it was very inspiring. And you know, he went from, you know, just kind of like a lot of us are starting out, like I'm starting out, just kind of winging it, and how he went and got himself a shop, and what the events that led up to that, and then getting his business license after that. And then he started getting certifications from environmental protection agencies. And yeah, it was just really cool. So, all right, I'll fire this up when I find something. What do we have here? Something sticking out the top. That's a nice bag, it looks like. Let's take a quick look. Oh, maybe not. Sitting on top maybe for a reason. Oh, that's a ripped. So, aluminum pan. Yep, they're coming with me. Feels good in here. Tupperware. Ugh. Unmentionable. Pledge wipes. Bonus. All right. What's down there? Probably steel. Coffee mug. Huh, looks brand new with a little quality product. Nope, doesn't smell like coffee. And one of these sandwich bags, yes. I'll take them. Yeah, there's a little motor in there. Grinder. I'm hearing metal. Ah. Not sure what metal that is. Let's try out my magnet I got from last time. Clank. I'm gonna take some of this stuff into come on into my truck. Wet jet, no. Okay. Going back in here. You're going back. Zip you up. What's this stuff? VHS cases. I'm feeling clumsy. Hot plate pads or something. And what's here? Nothing. Another mug. This one brand new too. Looks like it. Nothing. Yeah, it's clean as can be. It's actually not bad. That might go good at my desk. I only have 3 coffee mugs in my house, so if I don't do my dishes for 3 days, I got no coffee mugs. And yes, we come across a lot of coffee mugs. I just don't grab them. Murphy's soap. I don't. VHS stuff. The Deer Hunter. All right. This is it. You know what? Oh, what do we have here? And a bunch of personal stuff. Looks possibly kitchen type. There's some metal in here. That looks kind of cute. What's plastic? I don't know. It's really close to being keepable. Wire. Keep that separate. Keep this separate too. Big old style thermos. Little green formula for complete deep cleaning machines. All right. Yeah, I'm gonna give up on this guy. Commercial aircraft and military and stuff, and I have 10 years of military experience being a technician and stuff, but I went on the interview and I left with such a bad taste in my mouth. I know it's all needed and stuff. Ooh, what is this? I know it's all needed, but the corporate mentality was just, it was tough. It was a tough interview. It was 2 HR folks that were just shotgunning questions at me, and which is fine. That's their job. It was, but it was also, it was also just, it just rubbed me the wrong way, and that's just empty. Is it a battery? It is a battery. I'll take you apart later. So yeah, the corporate mentality was just tough. And I have all the qualifications and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. It's more realization that I think I could do a better impact of just doing recycling. They pay between $17, $18 an hour, just being a technician. I mean, it sounds nice, just going to work and doing my job, reading my work instructions, working on a fuel system component, and going home and not having any worries, and be Joe Sixpack watching my shows in the evening. And but also, I don't know, it's so anyway, I just thought I would let that out and let this guy go. So and also, I'm getting burnt out with school lately, and I don't know if it's just my own excuse, but it makes you want to just do this stuff, do it properly, instead of just doing it an hour and a half in the mornings. like I have been, you know, and making $20, $30, $40, you know, about doing it full time. You know, and I have a dream of being a teacher, and I don't know about you guys, but do you guys have a hard time discerning the voice of God? I do. I can't tell if it's me or if it's God, but it's almost like God's like, Paul, you are being a teacher. You got 500 to 1,000 students watching your videos, and I'm like, God, I don't know really that much about scrapping yet. I'm still learning. It really sucks. What is this? It is still no. So anyway, it's brand new, whatever it is. Is that a flag? I have a feeling it's an American flag. No. It's a shirt of some sort. I don't know what it is. Take it though. So yeah, so I'm getting disgusted by the corporate greed of almost went flying around. The corporate greed of Northern Illinois University. I mean, dude, it is so expensive. So many fees, so many. It's just a really greedy environment. And then going to Woodward and seeing that environment, and you know, nothing wrong with the job thing, and you know, because I might do it, but it was I don't know, maybe it's just my mentality lately. Might be just me. I'll need to sit and ponder and pray and listen to God. Try to anyway. Anyway, so it's my that's my confession. I was all dressed up, had a tie on and my nice shoes. So I don't know, I might even put the clip of me going to Woodward in the video. I did a little clip for Facebook. So I mean, yeah, I think it'd be nice to have my little one job, but also it's kind of dream breaking for me. Anyway, I'll fire this up when I find something. A little bit of metal sticking out, enough to grab my attention. And yeah, Waste Management does not recycle steel. They are not in the steel business. But they'll recycle paper, plastic, aluminum cans. Definitely. So that stuff belongs to them. This stuff, actually, I'm doing Waste Management a favor. They actually like it when stuff is not in there. I bet this is stainless. I'm guessing that one's stainless and these are all steel. Oh, come on, dude. Really? Yep. So that one's stainless. Steel. Steel. Yep. That does not stick at all. So this is 30 cents a pound. It's not even a pound. And this stuff is 5 cents a pound. 4.5 cents a pound now. They're down to $90 a net ton, I think. So $90 per 2,000 pounds. Half of that is $45 for 1,000. Remove 3 zeros and you got 4.5 cents a pound. Yeah, that was another thing in my interview. They had some math questions. And it was cool because the two HR people, they actually just read off, you know, these scenarios. One of the scenarios, it was tough. It's like, okay, you're a team lead of 10 people, and it's Friday, and all of a sudden it comes down that you have to work you have to work on Saturday, and no one wants to work on Saturday. What do you do? And I'm like, well, you continue talking to them, and if I'm gonna grab that, you talk to the guys, and if no one says anything, I take it back up the chain of command and say, hey, we've talked it over several times and none of my guys are willing to work overtime, and it's not my issue. And I shouldn't say it's not my issue, it's I've gone as far as I can go. don't know if they like that answer or not, but I don't know. This looks like a decent lampshade. So yeah, it was. I left that. That's a nice light bulb too. I might grab that light bulb. I'll bet it works. So yeah, I left that interview not feeling so hot. It was just 45 minutes of feeling like I'm getting tricked into answers, you know. But we'll see. When I left, the lady's like, "All right, you'll hear by next week. We're either going to extend you an offer or say thanks, but no thanks." That's fair enough. That's a quick turnaround. Hell, if that's brown painted wood or if it's metal. It's wood. Okay. All right. I can't tell what that is, but it was enough to grab my attention. Oh. It's all plastic. Bummer. Alright, so soft water. I'll bet a scrapper got that. Which is fine. I'd rather see a scrapper get it than my nemesis. Yes. Definitely don't want the nemesis. The eater o' scrap. The eater o' scrap. Could definitely make a comic book. The scrap eater. Oh, I see a vacuum. Yeah, this will be the telltale sign if a scrapper's been here. If the cord is gone. Oh, I see. Ooh, they might have cut it. I see only a partial cord there. Tell me what you see. Oh, it's all there. See, I saw it from here. I only saw that. No? All right. Looks like this is some ripe territory. Really? Right. Good stuff. Yeah, this is probably 50 cents right here. At least. I'll do 50-cent stops. I'm gonna do the math on that. So if I did a 50-cent stop 10 times an hour, $5 an hour. Yeah, maybe not. Hopefully grab a hunk of steel. Just sitting here, pretty rusted up. Anything else good in here? Is that a piece of copper? I don't know. Let's take a look. Oh, did I just scratch up? Oh, wow. Yeah, this feels like steel. No? It's bright copper. Alright. Copper, you are going up front. I saw some other metal in here. Seeing how you're there. dusty stuff. What is in this? But something was poking out. It probably PVC, but who knows? Yep, PVC. Oh, there's metal. No, it's unmetal. There's a little piece of something here. So you're gonna come with me. I think there's some interesting stuff in here. So I'm gonna take a better look. Rip it all the way open. Sorry. Nope, I meant to just poke a hole. Sometimes my spidey sense is right. That's definitely a motor. I know some people get upset. Hey, you're poking holes in garbage bags, and trash man could spill that stuff. Yeah, and usually they see this kind of stuff, and they're not dumb. There's something right there. What do you think? Ah, it's plastic. Oh. My spidey sense is telling me something though. These bags are weird. They're like they're not even plastic. Sorry guys, I'm not meaning to jack up your stuff. I need to recycle like that. There's something right there. It's a hose. I'm not gonna dig through that to get a hose. Oh no! Wet gloves. It's nothing worse than wet gloves. Oh, yeah, that's got recycled. So, yeah, sorry dude, didn't mean to jack up your bags. Yeah, so I got my glove that's wet here drying off with the hot air of the defroster. But as I was leaving, and I didn't see it coming in, so driving in, I didn't see this, you know, the angle that it was, you know. It's funny, you drive the other direction and you see stuff that I see stuff that I miss. You guys probably see the stuff, you know, on your ventures. My eyesight's a little different than most people's, with astigmatism, and then my right eye, I have a lazy eye, and it just shuts off sometimes. I mean, it shuts off to where it just kind of rolls in the back of my head, looks all weird. Yeah, one of those dudes that you're looking at, and every now and then my eye just takes off. Yeah, because I see almost 100% of my sight is out of my left eye, and I'm not like blind in my right eye or anything, just my brain just shuts it off. Kind of weird. But anyway, I say all that to say that sometimes I miss things. Yeah, I just kind of blur across things. All right, let's see what's in this neighborhood. Come on, I like a good find. All right, I'll fire this up when I find something. A little bit, just enough for me to take a look. That's plastic. I don't know what that is. It looks cool, and I want it for some reason. I have no purpose for it. You guys ever like see something and you have no purpose for it, but you're like, that is just cool, I want it? Yeah. That's the hoarder in me. Seriously. That is just cool. I don't know. Alright. I don't care. I want it. It's awesome. It's super durable looking. Yeah. I don't know why. No purpose. But I'll think of a purpose and it'll be awesome. At least in my imagination. Alright. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. My glove drying yet? Nope. Alright. Alright, let's take a quick look at this. I think that little cat hanger thing is metal. No, it's, well, maybe a little bit metal, yeah. Ooh. Alright, you are not coming. You're not going to take a tumble on me, are you? Yeah, I'm turning away so I don't get hit in the face with a piece of flying metal. You're not coming off. You're actually bending the metal. What are you doing? Alright, I'm taking this whole thing. Anything else in here? Looks kind of cool. There's nothing other stuff in here. I smell a lot of candy in there. So, FedEx man. Not sure if my yard will give me a hard time for that as steel, because it being such a dinky scrapyard, they don't have a lot of categories. But that's what I'm smelling. All right, I'm gonna leave this guy alone before that thing takes a tumble. Uh-oh, I hear the garbage man. Yep, sure enough. Look at that guy, just jam. Things are so automated now. I see a little lamp. No, I'm not gonna take the lamp and try to resell it. It's not my gig, but there's metal enough there. Really? You're gonna give me a hard time? Really? Not quite what I meant to do. Sometimes I forget my snips out there. You guys remember those blue snips that I got? They're designed for industrial water or industrial wire clippers. What is this? Huh. Looks like there's something in there. Nope. And so yeah, those big blue industrial wire clippers, they're just gone. I can't find them anywhere. So not quite sure what happened. Might have left them on top. And now they're gone. Scrapper dude. Yeah. That was a futon up there. It's half wood, half metal. I passed it up. But yeah, I remember it because of those slats. So that there is El Scrapper Dude 2. Good on you, man. Good on you. Keep doing what you do. Yeah, he definitely saw me. Yeah, which is good. Definitely good. I thought it was metal. It's not. Alright, what else do we see? I made some adjustments to the camera, because before it was like shown too high, and when I was digging through stuff you couldn't really see my hands or the things I was talking about. Hey, there's Scrapper guy again and his wife. I'm assuming, but yeah, so I made some adjustments to the camera, so hopefully it's not too low where all it shows is like my dashboard and you can't even see what's really up. I don't know, with the fisheye lens, I think it's you'll be able to see a lot, but I don't want it being lame, you know. There's the old Ford dealership. Yeah, feels dry. Oh, it's actually, oh, it's broken. Yeah, that's 100% steel. Except for that piece, but I'll take it. Yeah, Fridays are really good days. They're traditionally really good days for scrapping, just because there's twice the volume of trash day. Because Sycamore has a Friday trash day, and DeKalb has a Friday trash day. It's funny. There's that scrapper guy that's in the little truck, and I don't see too many other scrappers, especially while I'm scrapping. That's happened less than 10 times for me. But yeah, we're orbiting the same neighborhoods. Actually, that's probably him right down there. So we'll see. He had a blonde wife in a trailer. So yeah, there he's turning. What's up, Scraps? So I'm gonna go 2 streets down. That's probably not a bad deal right there. But it's not really, I'm just not feeling the whole knocking on people's door thing right now. And that's the cool thing about doing the scrapping. I'm not forced to have awkward interactions. At least I feel right now that they're awkward. Yeah, this is my son's school. He's in there right now. That's actually a good dumpster back there. The school dumpster. You know, I'm gonna go 3 streets down and then turn up. There's there he is right there. You guys see that? I don't know if the camera caught that. Yeah, this is the first, I think, for me that I'm orbiting with another scrapper dude. Is that a printer? Oh, he's probably gonna go over to Lehan's right now. Let's take a look, because that's a really good spot. Lehan's, if he turns right here. Nope, he's not. Okay. So he might not know. That's a super good spot. I've gotten a bunch of stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna do anything with her. Nope. But I will take you. I'll bet it's steel. Oh yeah. Yep, Waste Management doesn't do steel. Yeah, this goes 99% dry. Still feel there's a little bit in there. You. No, you're still enough. Was that a mouse or bug crawling out? What was that? I thought that was a crawling bug. Ooh. Wait, are you empty? Wait a minute. The garbage man's been through here? That's not good. Yep, it looks like it. Alright, so I need to switch neighborhoods like trailer scrap dude did. Not trailer, but you know, his trailer on his truck. You get it. Alright, so I'm done with this neighborhood. I don't know, maybe I should continue because there might be an appliance or two. But yeah, definitely garbage man's been out. Alright, I'll fire this up when something cool happens. What is that? I don't know. Seeing how I just mentioned Lehan Drugs, might as well go back here and take a look. See what they got. Yeah, sometimes they got pallets. And a lot of times they throw away stuff. Like good stuff too. Yeah, those are all odd sized pallets that don't recycle. Those are all oxygen tanks. So this is all cardboard. Sometimes they just put the stuff back here. Alright. I don't know, maybe a scrapper guy came here already. It's all good. There's plenty of scrap. Plenty of pallets out for us. I didn't even see that guy sitting in that truck, that van, the Lehan van. But I am going to go into this other neighborhood before I venture out. DeKalb County Sheriff. Little alley over here, so we're actually kind of closer to downtown right now. So what is that big old speaker? Man, that has 80s written all over it. You know, I'm gonna pop out and just take a look. There's some other stuff there. And a dumpster. JVC. Oh. I know a lot of people would grab it, but what is that stuff? It's probably plastic. Oh yeah. Garbage man's already been here too. Oop. Yeah. All right. So now I know. It's an empty garbage can. Now I'm gonna change my neighborhood. time to go to Sycamore. But there's actually a very large, it's not quite a trailer park, but they're like manufactured home. I don't know, they might be a trailer park. Garbage man's been here. You know what? Just gonna reach my hand out and check. Nope. Alright, cool. Hey. I think that's metal enough. What do you think? We'll see if my yard gives me a hard time. You look metal enough. Oh. I gotta remember to this stainless steel right now. Just put it in the front. Yeah, I don't know. There's some other aluminum or other non-irony type. I don't know, is stainless considered non-ferrous? I don't know. It's made of iron. Yeah, that's the trailer park I was talking about. So I think I'm gonna go into that here in a second. A lot of time people give me a hard time for not using my blinkers, and I understand that. It's but there's not very many cars, if you guys noticed, so I'm not messing up anybody's, you know, messing up their driving. Plus, I don't know what direction I'm going to turn anyway, so I don't turn my blinker on. I don't know what direction I'm going. Yeah, welcome to my brain. But yeah, I was reading through the comments. Some people give me a hard time for the stop signs, and I'm oblivious of it, especially when there's no other cars around, that I'm not like communicating to another car to stop. So yeah, well, I'm putting, I want to be a better driver. How's that? I get oblivious sometimes. All right, I'll fire this up when I find something. This. Oh, they're batteries. Yeah. These actually aren't hazardous waste. You know, it's just, they're just alkaline batteries. So I know that they can have some special, while I'm here, I know they you know, be more careful with them, but they become inert really fast. They become nothing. So it's not like they're gonna, well, you get it. Now I remember why I don't go through this trailer park very often. I think it has something to do with their covenants and restrictions. Yeah, this whole thing's coming with me. Their covenant and their restrictions, because there's hardly anything ever out. How do these things come off? Okay, so I'm gonna take those off because yeah, still feel like hearing the yapping from my scrapyard. Those are aluminum or plastic. Regardless, this is brand new. Window images. They're vinyl, but it's in the package still. Yeah. All right. You're in the package. Mostly just in the package. Yeah, I'll put them up on my Facebook marketplace. $5, $10. What do we have here? Put my hazards on. Up. Okay, I thought the garbage man was here. No. So actually, oh, there it is, broken right there. But this guy, that's good. I might use that. I got a bunch of other ones that actually work, but yeah, that guy broke. But this guy, yeah, that's keep life. Wait a minute. Do a quick look right here. Hey, what's going on? You got any scrap metal you want to get rid of?
Actually, not today.
Not today? Okay. I remember last time you had a few rotors and stuff for me.
4 days ago.
Ah, it's all good. All right. Have a good day. Yeah, that guy, he's a mechanic that does a lot of work from his house. So, nice guy, super nice guy. All right, so I'm back in my storage unit. So I took a magnet to all of that silverware. So all of that stuff is magnetic, sticks to a magnet, and all of this stuff does not. But I can't tell what is silver and what is aluminum or what's brass. You know, when I see green, I think of copper. You know, brassy copper. I don't know. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Yeah, some guy was being really artsy. That or a really clever addict. I don't know. So I need to go through here and figure out what's what. All right, so you're gonna stay here at my storage unit. I just have a little bit of junk, and I've already taken all the other stuff to my completely packed storage unit now. Yeah, I gotta spend some time separating that stuff, and so. All right, and then what I'm gonna do from here is I'm gonna go get rid of this stuff. It's probably, I don't know, $5 or $10 worth of steel, and then I'm gonna go over to Sycamore and check out their stuff. So their garbage man doesn't show up till later, so I already know that from previous. Timed that, but yeah, the garbage has already been picked up here in this area of Sycamore. So, all right, so what I'm gonna go do is go back to my storage unit, and I'm gonna take a load of pallets out and sell a load of pallets. Yep, give me a little pocket money. So I just the back of my truck is now clean, if you guys can see that or not. But yeah, just went and got a little bit less than $10 for that shred steel. Still got a bunch of stuff, you know, in my storage unit from those finds, but yeah, I'm really curious about if those are silver, the silverware, if they are silver. I didn't look at them too closely. If I saw the sterling sign, I know if they say sterling, that means it is silver. That's the key. So yeah, so that's going to turn into a quick pallet route. So I'm probably going to finish up the video here because my GoPro battery's running out, and I didn't bring it, the charger. So yeah, I'm going to end it right now. I'm going to go do a pallet run and get a little pocket money. So you guys be awesome, stay awesome. You know, it's all good. Talk to you guys later. Another reason why I want to do a pallet route today, because it's Friday. Well, for one, I have more room now, so I can finish all that aluminum and that big pile of junk that's started. And the scrap yards are open tomorrow, so I'll be able to work on some of this stuff and handle that. But the pallet yard closes today at 3 o'clock, and they are not open on the weekends. So I'm gonna turn that in. I have 9 pallets. So that's, I'm sorry, 18 pallets. They're 9 high, and so that's $36. And yeah, so I better get rolling. So now is the end of the video. You guys are awesome. Peace.